morning everyone, and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So this is me at 6 a.m. It's currently 6 a.m. and I just sat down here at the desk. I've got my coffee that I'm sipping on. I thought that I would just keep this morning routine very casual, sort of day in the life vlog style. Usually my morning routines are very formal, where I have like a voiceover and I don't really talk to the camera a lot, but I thought for this video I would just kind of take you guys along on my morning and just check in with you on the camera. The alarm goes off at like 5:20, usually out of bed by like 5:25. Getting up at 5:30 definitely takes a lot of adjusting. When I was younger, I was not a morning person. Like, there was no way I could get up at 5:30 in the morning. Well, back when I used to have to get to work, I think I would wake up at like 6 something, but I never would wake up at 5:30 in the morning. It can just take a couple of weeks for your body to adjust, and then once you do, I actually really enjoy getting up at 5:30 in the morning. And also, when you have kids, you can get a lot done early in the morning before they wake up. My kids are going to be awake at 7 o'clock, so I've got an hour here to get a lot of computer work done, which is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to do a little bit of the voiceover for my video tomorrow. It's a great time to do that when the house is quiet, the kids are still sleeping. And I apologize for all the light glares and my scary looking face, but hopefully you enjoy this morning routine video and continue watching if you want to see the rest of my morning. So I usually like to pull out this notepad either first thing in the morning or the night before, write down the next day, and then write down everything that I need to get done that day. That way I can check it all off and I be sure that I get everything done that I needed to. It's also very satisfying at the end of the day or throughout the day to just like be marking things off your list. Makes you feel like you got something done that day. Okay, so it's 7:37 a.m. I was trying to get a bunch of that voiceover done on that video, but I probably only got about a quarter of it done. So I'll just finish up the rest of it this afternoon. I can see here on the camera that the boys are starting to wake up. So I'm just gonna stop my work and go ahead and make my bed, get myself ready for the day so that I can go and get them their breakfast. Okay, so I got myself a little more ready for the day, and I've got the boys cleaning their room. We'll see how much cleaning is actually going to go on in there, but hopefully they can get a little bit of their room clean while I get breakfast started. I think I'm gonna make some oatmeal this morning. It just sounds really good this morning. Okay, so I'm gonna pause here and take my vitamins before I forget. I usually take them a couple of hours after I wake up in the morning. So the vitamins that I have been taking lately are the Ritual vitamins. These are the Essential for Women ones. There's 60 vegetarian capsules in here. One of the things that I love about these is when you take off the lid, it smells like spearmint gum, and it's because they have this little mint scented thing in here to help it to smell good, also help it to taste good. So when you put it in your mouth to swallow it, it tastes like you have minty bubble gum in your mouth. So like I said, I take 2 of these every day, and I love that they're clear capsules. You can like see all of the vitamins in there. So Ritual helps women get the nutrients they need. You know, we try to eat healthy every day, but it can be hard for us to get all of the essential nutrients that we need on a daily basis. So by taking Ritual vitamins, that helps you to be able to get all of those nutrients. My vitamins contain everything that I need from D3 to omega-3. They help to fill in the gaps in your diet, and they are delivered to your door as a subscription. It's only $1 a day to have all of the nutrients that you need. So if you guys want to try out Ritual, they are offering you 10% off your first 3 months by going to ritual.com/happyhome and use my code HAPPYHOME to get that 10% off your first 3 months. The link in the code will be down below in the description box. And also, of course, a big thank you to Ritual for sponsoring today's video.
Okay, so all of this laundry needs to be folded, this heaping laundry basket, and then there's a bunch of laundry in there too, so I'm gonna go transfer this out to the couch. So I just got done making the boys' bed, and Kyle is finishing up cleaning their room. He's almost done. Okay, so I got the house pretty much straightened up, except for I have to fold all this laundry over here, and that's usually what I do first thing in the morning, is just give the house a quick tidy up, a speed clean. If it helps, you can set a timer for like 20 or 30 minutes and then just see how much of the house you can quickly get picked up before you have to start your day. Okay, so today is Friday, and I want to start making it a tradition that every Friday morning I go down to the little coffee shop that's down the road from our house and get a coffee, just get out with the boys, make it something special to look forward to at the end of the week. I think it's important, especially for us as stay-at-home moms, when we're stuck at home all week long, whether you work from home or whatever. It's just important to get out at some point during the week. Just get out of the house, go out for a walk. The coffee shop is literally like a minute from our house, and I've been wanting to go down there more often since we moved here, but I just haven't really been making the time to go down there at least once a week. It's been several weeks since I've been down there. So I want to start making it a tradition. It's a really cute little place, and I'll show you guys inside of it, kind of film in there a little bit if I can. Today was trash day, so I gotta drag this back inside. Okay, so we just ran in the coffee shop and I got my favorite mocha latte that they have there. It's so good. We also tried an apple scone that I split with the boys. They really love that. And it is so freezing cold outside and windy, as you can tell by my hair. But on the weekends here by the coffee shop, some of the locals set up some little tables and sell some things, and somebody has a whole bunch of free puppies. It was so hard to walk away without one of those puppies because they were so cute and snuggly, and they were tiny. We just don't need a dog right now. We're gonna have to wait a while before we can get a dog again. Now I have to run a package into the post office. Okay, so I decided to do something special with the boys before we go back home. So we are going to run in the library and see if we can find a couple of books. Okay, so we just left the library and we're back home now. And normally I would be doing school with Kyle this morning, but I just ordered him a new curriculum that won't be in the mail until next week. So we're just taking a break here for a few weeks until I get that in the mail. So now I need to head inside, finish all of my laundry, make the boys lunch, and then Owen's gonna go down for a nap. And then the afternoon will start and I will edit all afternoon. Okay, so it's currently almost 1 o'clock, so it's not even morning anymore, so I'm just gonna end this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It sort of turned into more of like a vlog style type video, so hopefully you guys still enjoyed that. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Also, don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram. I try to share more of my everyday life over there. I post as often as I can. I'm gonna try to start doing better with posting over there. My Instagram name is Hannah's Happy Home. And also, if you're not already, feel free to subscribe. Just click the red subscribe button down below and then click that bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. That will just notify you every time that I upload a new video. And I hope that you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in a couple days with a brand new video. Bye!